What's up guys, it's Marina. I'm filming this video a day after Thanksgiving, and you know what that means. It's Christmas time, boys.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Okay, I'm done. I'm super excited because this year I'm gonna be spending Christmas with you guys. I'm pre-filming a lot of videos, but I thought it'd be a good idea to but before I started posting bro, why can't I speak? Before I start posting some seasonal holiday videos, I wanted to get this video out since it's been super requested. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup, my hair, and how I take my pictures for my Instagram. If you want to follow me, my Instagram is @itsmarinahokulani. You don't have to, but I mean, I have a really fun sponsorship that I have to take pictures for, so I thought this would be the perfect video. So let's get on to the video. My camera's already dying.
A merry little Christmas night.
We are here present in my vanity. Okay, so first I start off with my eyebrows. Also, while I do my makeup, I'm going to talk about this great sponsorship. Today's video is sponsored by Glasses USA. That's Cam.
Yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
You guys know that I am #blind in my right eye, and also my glasses broke. When they hit me up, I was super excited. I can finally see. It comes in a box like this, and inside her we have some glasses cases. Every single pair comes with a nice case. Low-key love this. It's like matte, and then the logo is shiny, so super cute. Don't remember any of the names of these glasses, but I will have all the names on the screen, and I'll list all of them in order at the bottom in the description box. But anyways, Glasses USA has a whole wide range of glasses. Not only do they have glasses, but they also have sunglasses. And also, if you're not blind like me, you don't have to have prescription. They have no prescription options, and all of them are the same price. They have so many different styles to choose from, like Ray-Ban, Oakley, Gucci. And they also have in-house brands like Amelia E, which are these babies right here. My new go-to sunglasses, and also the right eye is prescripted. Thank you very much. I know that buying online is kind of iffy, so let me just tell you that the quality of all the lenses and glasses itself are 10 out of 10. They also have a really cool feature on the app where all you have to do is take a picture of yourself, set all the little pinpoints on your face, and then you can see exactly how you look like with the glasses on. If you guys are interested, I have a special offer. All of the information will be down below in the description box. And yes, so let's continue with the makeup. Okay, so for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, and I use the same eyebrow brush that I've been using for a very, very long time. I don't remember the number of it because it wiped off, but I do know that it's from Anastasia, so. Alright, brows are done. That was actually the fastest I've ever did my brows. So, if you guys look at my Instagram pictures, a lot of them lately have been golden hour photos, and the makeup that I usually go for is natural. More like enhancing my feature natural. So, normally I don't use foundation just because sometimes foundation looks super cakey. Low-key, I just hate foundation and the way it feels on my face. Except for the Fenty Beauty foundation. I love that foundation. But that's besides the point. Normally I don't use foundations, and I'm not gonna be using foundation today. But before we do any type of face makeup, your face has to be mega primed. So moisturized the face with some Tatcha water cream. I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer on my pore areas, which is T-zone right there. then you guys probably already know this, I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer for the rest of my face to moisturize and also make my skin tacky so that my makeup will stay on while I take pictures. Okay, so now that my face is all nice and primed and moisturized, for concealer, I'm going to be using the Naked Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in the color Medium Light Neutral. I'm also going to add a little bit of the Born This Way concealer just because I like the consistency of it. And then I like to brush some leftover concealer just like in the middle of my eyebrows because I get a little bit of pores over there. My camera is dying again. Okay, so now my favorite part, I'm going to be using some liquid highlight. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer Radiance. I love this. It's like the perfect, I don't know, this is just amazing. Okay, I love this highlight. Now with my fingers, I'm gonna take some powder highlight just so that I could set this liquid highlight. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder, and it's in the color Highlight 1. I don't know. I'm just gonna put some on my finger and go over all the parts that I put liquid highlight in. Oh my goodness. Golden hour, glow. Queen. I use my finger because I want it to look natural. Count how many times I say natural as I pack on makeup on my face. Under the brow bone. And yes, we're done. Okay, so to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use some Maybelline Fit Me face powder. I love this stuff. And I'm just gonna take this small brush that I was just using because it's tiny and it can get like right in the spots that I need it to. I'm not gonna go over where I put the highlight just because I want that to look glowy. Okay, so now I'm gonna bronze thy face using the middle shade from Kat Von D Shade Light palette. Bronze the heck out of my face because my face is 10 times lighter than my body. I like to kind of define my cheekbones a little bit, so I bring my bronzer like up there. I don't know. Ooh, play the song out loud. And I'm gonna do my nose. Okay, now I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and put mascara. Alright, so just finished the mascara. Might have poked my eye a little bit, but it's okay. The mascara I used was the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. And lastly, for lips, I'm gonna use my fave Fenty Beauty gloss. It's the perfect natural color for me. I love it so freaking much. And it literally smells so good, like, Okay, so I'm done with the makeup. I know that was super like easy and simple, but I know that you guys kind of just wanted to know the products that I use, because you know that in my pictures I don't post that much with heavy makeup. We kind of gotta hurry because it's already 3:34. Now I'm gonna move on to hair and outfit. I did not think this far ahead. Frick. Okay, so for my hair, I try to change my hair up a little bit when I take pictures so that it's not boring. But for these pictures, I kind of want to go for that cute little like schoolgirl look. All right, I just changed into the fit. I'll show you after. But for hair today, I usually go for either scrunchy look, clips look, and recently I just got these freaking cute headbands, and I literally organized. I know. I'm actually very proud of this, so don't come for me, okay? My hair's a little oily today, so I think I'm just gonna use a headband because it hides that. Okay, so all I do is this, and then I put it up to here, behind my ears, like this, and then I take out the front pieces of my hair so that I could frame my face better. Just like this. You can also take out your little front pieces, but mine just don't look cute right now because it's at a weird length. Oh, I look like a little schoolgirl. Because I'm wearing a turtleneck, I'm gonna add another necklace. It's 2 different colors of gold, but it's okay. That's what editing's for. Low-key kind of look like a nun. I'm also gonna add some hoops. These are my favorite hoops ever. They're from H&M. This necklace is from the M Jewelers. This, I think, is from Zaffle. And then this is just my boyfriend's. Okay, so here is the fit. I wore these pants in my karaoke singing video. And these are from Zaffle, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, so this is the finished look. And I'm gonna go force my boyfriend to take some pictures of me. And I'm gonna show you the process. The sun goes down at 4:26 p.m. today. I usually like to go an hour to 45 minutes before the sun goes down, because once the sun is already like setting, it just looks bad. And yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so down the block there's like a little park right here, and the sun hits it super nicely, so this is where I usually go to take my pictures. My boyfriend is freezing right now and hating every second of this. Also for my pictures, I usually take it just with my iPhone. Ooh. I have an iPhone 8 Plus. I don't know if that makes any difference, but we found a spot. Ah. Sun is down. Thanks, boyfriend.
Always.
Oh, this is so cute. Look at this little walkway. Ooh. Fall, winter. Alright guys, so we just got back, and yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out glassesusa.com. If you made it this far into the video, comment down below festivities with the devil face because we're frisky. And yeah, that was everything. Mwah. I love you guys so much. Bye.